Good morning, everyone. Okay, guys, so in the part 1 video, that time I was coming to Amritsar, so now I'm gonna make you explore Amritsar. That is in the part 2 video. And also, I'm gonna show you how to explore it in one day, just like me. Okay, guys, so the routine is actually that first we go to Golden Temple, then we'll eat some langar, and then we'll go to Jallianwala Bagh, and then we'll go to Kesar Da Dhaba to eat something yummy. If you have time, you can go to Wagah border. So now we're going to Golden Temple to get Babaji's blessings. Amritsar is a city in India known for its rich history and cultural significance. It's home to the famous Golden Temple, a sacred site for Sikhs. The city is vibrant and bustling, filled with markets, delicious food, and colorful traditions. The Golden Temple is also known as Harmandir Sahib or Dhabha Sahib. This temple is also a holy place for Sikhs who come here to pray and show their respect to the religion. And if you guys know that before going inside, you have to take out your shoes and socks. The temple is one of the 5 most important Sikh shrines. It is located in Amritsar, Punjab in India. It has been around for over 500 years and it is surrounded by water. People from all over the world visit the Golden Temple, not only Sikhs but also people from other religions. It attracts nearly 2 million devotees every year.
Tara, come from here.
Guru Arjan Sahib, the 5th Guru, conceived the idea of creating a central place of worship for the Sikhs, and he himself designed the architecture of Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is surrounded by a large pool called the Amritsar Sarovar, which means pool of nectar. The temple is covered with gold, which makes it look shiny and beautiful. Inside the temple, there is a holy book called the Guru Granth Sahib, which has the teachings of the Sikh Gurus. Visiting the Golden Temple is a peaceful and spiritual experience for everyone who goes there. And if you guys know that we went there in a cold winter January morning, and there was a lot of fog and hardly anything was visible. Every day, a free meal called langar is served to thousands of visitors, regardless of their religion or background. This meal is served 24 hours a day, every day. Key principles in Sikhism include serving others, honest living, and practicing meditation to connect with the divine. The religion emphasizes the equality of all people, regardless of caste, creed, or gender. Sikhs typically follow the path of seva, that is selfless service, and strive to live a life of honesty, integrity, and devotion to God. These people are making food for thousands of people and they're not charging any money, and this is voluntary work. Okay guys, so I had langar, and in the langar I ate dal roti, rajma rice, kheer, salad and water. It was very tasty and it had the love of God in it. Guys, see, people are going down after eating langar. All the plates have been washed by the people washing them in voluntary work. And guys, look, there's so many people came to eat langar. Guys, look, there's so many ghee cans here. And also they take the ghee cans to make the food.
Tara,
And guys, also if you know, the langar was very, very good. And also I loved it. It was very, very good. After we take the blessing from God, then we are gonna go to Jallianwala Bagh. So come on with me. I'll take you to Jallianwala Bagh and we'll explore what's there. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre was a tragical event that took place on 13th April 1919 in Amritsar during the British rule. It occurred when a large Indian crowd, including men, women, and children, gathered in the Jallianwala Bagh garden to peacefully protest against the arrest of Indian leaders and to demand freedom from the Britishers. General Dyer, without warning, ordered his troops to open fire on the unharmed crowd. Trapped within the walled garden, the soldiers fired continuously for about 10 to 15 minutes, blocking the only exit and leaving no means of escape for the people. It is estimated that hundreds of innocent civilians were killed and thousands were injured in this brutal and inhuman act. So if you guys know that you don't need a ticket, you don't need anything to come inside, you just come inside to explore. Guys, look, this is the place where the people were firing the bullets. And also that was the only entry and only exit in that time. Patriotic songs are played in the full day and every day in this bagh. Okay guys, so now I'll take you to the gallery where the sound art is and the pictures are. Follow me guys, follow me. It's this way. Guys, look, this is the sand art happening. Guys, look, this is the well that all the people jumped in when fire was ordered by General Dyer. Guys, look, these are the bullet marks that was shot by the Britishers. Okay guys, so after exploring Jallianwala Bagh, the sad place, we are gonna go to Kesar Da Dhaba.
Padam, एक second. We are in the auto. I'll show you the chudas, the variety of chudas they have. Ooh. All colors.
ये शॉप तो आगे चौक में एकदम सेम है नहीं, लेकिन ये शॉप के बिल्कुल बीच में कुछ आ रहा है। उन्होंने पूरा सरोवर खुलवाया। इसका दो फीट ऊपर।
So now we're going to Kesar Da Dhaba.
It's one of the most famous restaurants in Amritsar.
We are waiting, Kyra.
We had to wait in the line so long and we cheated.
What do you want to have? Can I just see? Drink the sweet lassi and
It's very nice.
One second.
How's it? It's good? Lassi is good? Thumbs up for lassi.
So guys, And today I'm gonna test it to see if it actually is yummy. Baby! Yay!
Lassi is very good. We are waiting for our food. Bhaiya khana lao. How's the dal makhani, Tyra?
I'm gonna try it.
This is dal makhani, chole, palak paneer, lachha paratha. Yummy? Yummy food. Thumbs up.
Soft है रे.
Okay guys, so now we have a flight back to Delhi. So we are gonna first eat and then we're gonna eat in this food court. It has Gyanis, Domino's, lots of things. It even has Starbucks. Look, guys, look, this is a selfie booth. So we tried a lot of ice creams and waffles and they were really good. So guys, this was my one-day trip in Amritsar, and if you want to explore it, you can do the same thing and same way. Okay guys, so now I have a flight to catch, so I have to go to the airport. So bye, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Bye. Bye everyone. I hope you liked the video and also subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.
Flight has been delayed by 1.5 hours. Cat entered the airport. I think he wants KFC at the airport. And till that time, Kaira, what are you having? Chili chicken puff from Costa. Our flight is delayed for 1.5 hours.
Delayed 3 times. 3 times it got delayed. So we have to go at 11.
Finally, it's at 11:30 at night.
I'm gonna sleep.
I don't think it will take off at 11:30. It will take off at...
What if it gets cancelled at 12 o'clock? Then we have to go back to... Bye, guys, finally the flight has come and now I'm going to Delhi. So bye and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and I hope you liked the video. It was a very good experience for me. So bye.